What you will receive: 1 box of 6 sizes round AB nail crystal rhinestones beads, totally about 1440 PCs, 1 box of 12 different shaped styles AB stones gem, about 120 PCs, 10 PCs for each shape, 1 PC's rhinestone picker pencil, 1 PC's tweezer. The package is well equipped with necessary tools for nail art, which is suitable for both nail technician and inexperienced beginner for manicure. Bright vibrant sparkle. These round flatback crystals are made of premium glass and ensure the long-lasting effect of your manicure. The perfect cutting facets of the glass material endow them with vivid and dazzling shine. Multi-functions. The shiny crystals are very helpful to radiate your beauty in nail design. Additionally, you can also apply these gems for DIY crafts, makeup, body art, clothes decoration, shoes, cell phone cases, glasses, tumblers, bags, greeting cards, scrapbooks, etc. Easy to use, easy to apply on artificial nails. After applying nail polish and applying enough gel on the nail, simply use the equipped tools, pick up pencil plus tweezer, to pick up the crystals onto your nails to create your fabulous DIY designs. 100% worry-free guarantee. We always stand on the customer's side to ensure the quality of the products. If you have any question about this product, please send us a message for a solution. We will deal with it as quickly as possible and guarantee you a satisfying shopping experience. Top reviews from the United States. Gorgeous pink. Beautiful pale pink. Rounds. Different shapes are great for decorating, as accent nail, or mixing with other colors to keep it interesting.